be a hell of a game, Jim. It's gonna be a lot of defense, a lot of intensity. I feel like the players are really ready for this game.
We are tailgating at Camping World Stadium.
We made it about 3.5 hour drive, and it was worth every second.
Why do we RV? This is why we RV.
Camaraderie here at the football game is pretty nice tailgating. Go Cards.
This is my RV and I'm driving it because I couldn't bring everything down here in my car.
We've got some fun things for you. I want to recognize you during the game. And then we also have a $500 gift card to Camping World, Gander Outdoors, or Overton's.
What do they all have in common? They love the sport and they love this country.
The best part about tailgating is friends, fellowship.
Are you excited?
Oh,
Isn't college, it's like the best time of year?
Man, it's the best.
We've made a whole bunch of new friends.
Yeah, baby, roll, tag, roll!
What really matters tonight is it's the kickoff of college football season, but it's also the kickoff of tailgating season.